After weeks of leaks, speculations, and teasers, Huawei appears to have now officially confirmed the Nova 4, its launch date, while also releasing the first official render of the device. The confirmation comes via an official teaser poster released today. The teaser confirms that the Huawei Nova 4 will go official on December 17 at the Hunan International Convention and Exhibition Center in Changsha City, China. The teaser hasn't revealed many details about the device, but it does reveal a new honey red color which is speculated to be a Star Ray version. Let's take a look. The Huawei Nova 4 flaunts a 6.4-inch IPS LCD display having a screen resolution of 2310 by 1080 pixels, which has been provided with a 19.59 aspect ratio. The display quality is enhanced by the presence of the sharp pixel density of 503 ppi, which will allow users to view movies in a detailed finish. In terms of the performance, the device comes with two dual-core Cortex-A76 processor having a clock speed of 2.6 GHz and 1.92 GHz and a quad-core Cortex-A55 processor that clocks a speed of 1.8 GHz. It has been spread upon the Hisilicon Kirin 970 chipset and assisted by the Mali G76 MP10 GPU that handles the graphics. There is a massive 6 GB RAM that will provide a lag-free multitasking. The device is provided with 48 megapixel with 1.8 aperture plus 16 megapixel with 2.2 aperture and 20 megapixel 2.4 aperture depth sensor means a triple primary cameras respectively. A single front camera having 25 megapixel lens setup assists while taking selfies. Hence, it can impress the users with the quality of the pictures it can capture. To store the pictures, videos, or any other data, there is a huge 128 GB inbuilt space which is sufficient for the users. It also features a hybrid slot that can be expanded up to 256 GB via a memory card. The Huawei Nova 4 has been provided with the Li polymer battery having a huge capacity of 3,750 mAh which can provide immense power backup. It has the fast charging feature that can refill the battery in a short time. For the connectivity, it features a dual 4G support, Wi-Fi 802.11, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS with a GPS and GLONASS, USB Type-C, etc.